What up guys, Stanley Steen here from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to create a campaign, a native campaign to be precisely, using MGID and an offer from AdCombo. So let's dive in. Hey there, Stanley here from Team Deberoo, and I've got some exciting news for you. The Deberoo suite is now live with an all-round affiliate marketing software platform. And to celebrate this, we want to give you a very special offer. You can get 40% off of your first month using the software, and to top it all off, we'll throw in an advanced course of choice. So keep your learning going, increase your profit, and make sure to go to the link below in the description because there are only limited places. Good luck. Alright, so I'm currently on the offer page of AdCombo to show you the offer which we are going to promote in this video. And it's the Keto Guru offer, which is a dietary supplement. And it's a unique and balanced composition, helps in weight loss and has positive effects on your body. Packaging, well, we don't really care about the packaging. How to use: adults take 1 tablet per day during or after a meal. Mix 1 tablet with 200 milliliters of water until complete dissolution. No local celebrities on creatives. Not on the landers, not on the pre-landers, and not on the banners. So, alright, this is the offer that we're going to promote. It has a payout of $21, and we're going to promote it in Ireland, and the flow is cash on delivery. So the good thing about working with AdCombo is that they provide you a lot of useful tools. For example, they provide you with landings and pre-landing pages. And to put it in the terms that we usually use, the landing page is what we call the offer page. So I can show you, this is the page where the actual sale is being made. So this is what AdCombo calls the lander, but we call it the offer page. So this is it, and this is actually what we are going to use for our campaign, so that's great. And then let's take a look at the other ones. The pre-landings are the pages that we call the landing page. This is the page in between the ad and the offer page. So we have the choice between 2 different ones, or at least 2 that AdCombo provides, because of course you're also free to use your very own. So let's take a look. We've got this one right here, which looks like it's a blog type. Yep, giving some information. All right, we've got some comments. I don't really like this page. Also, these comments look terrible. It doesn't really look like it's really from a social medium. But okay, let's check out the other one. All right, so we have a pop-up going on here. Are you from? Okay, so this will be the location, right? Weights. We received the largest number of complaints related to overweight and obesity from there. Therefore, Keto Guru is sold for local residents with 50% off. Okay, pretty good. And then we have Dr. Gabrielle Higgins explaining what the Keto Guru is. Some results. Expert opinion. Another doctor. Another doctor. Then a poll. Pretty cool. This doesn't add up though. Look at that. This 8% is very low and this 8% is very high. And it doesn't add up to 100% either. Well, okay. Oh, we have a nice spinner here, which is cool. Let's give you some extra discount. Nice little touch there. Alright, so that's the 50% off again. Okay, alright. Good stuff, good stuff. And then we have some comments. So these comments look a lot better, right? They are more in style with like Facebook, for example. And you can see Dr. Gabrielle Higgins is also replying on some of these comments, which is pretty cool. So let's use this one. So maybe we want to make some changes. So for example, we saw that poll. Where is it? Right here. These don't add up, right? So if you want to change this, you can. What you want to do is, first we want to check out which one it is. I think it was the second one. Right? Nope, it's the first one. Okay, good to know. So it's this one, medical blog, and I can download this lender. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to press download. You can put in your redirect URL, but you can also do that inside the landing page builder. So I'm just going to download it. There we go. We now have a zip file right here at our downloads. So let's go to the Deberoo suite. Inside the landing page builder, you have this option, upload zip, and that's exactly what we are going to do. So I just drag it in there, give my landing page a name, so Keto Guru, let's get Ireland first in there. Keto Guru, lender from AdCombo. All right, create, and you will now see that we are able to change all the different elements of this landing page. All right, so first it was just the page, now we download it and we can change anything. So if we go to the poll, for example, right here, so this one doesn't add up, right? So we have 23 plus 47, that's 70. So plus 8 is 78, plus that 5 is 83. Yeah, so that leaves with 17%. So I can now double click this and say, okay, 17%. So now it looks like it formats completely wrong, but when I click away, you can see, okay, it actually adds up. And now this whole poll makes a lot more sense. And of course, this is just something small that not a lot of people are going to notice if you don't change it. However, there might be things in here that you want to change to make it look better, to make it to make the flow better, whatever it is. Whatever you have in mind, you can make all the changes inside the Deberoo Suite landing page builder. And then we have some of the comments, of course. So always check them. If you use a landing page that you did not create yourself, always read through everything, because there might be some mistakes, there might be some typos in there, and you really want to get rid of those. All right? So let's see, this looks all right, let's look all right. Okay. All right, so after you've read everything, then that's all good. We want to get in our destination URL. So this would be your campaign URL, right? So that your tracker can actually track the traffic from going through. So let's just say this is our campaign URL. Awesome. Let's change the links. Links are updated, and if you want to use some advanced scripts like a back button redirect, you can use the header scripts right here and fill it in right here, which we are going to skip right now because I want to focus on creating the ads. So let's go into MGID. This is the dashboard of MGID, which is where we are going to create a campaign. So this is basically a dummy account, but it works exactly the same when you have a actual account with money on top of it, but this is just to show you how everything works. So we're gonna press Add Campaign, and it's gonna load up. All right, first we want to give our campaign a name. So first I suggest get in the country code, so IE from Ireland, then Keto Guru, and then any additional information. Any additional info that will help you recognize this campaign, or if you come back to it months later and you want to review it, you still want to remember like, oh, that was that campaign, all right? So anything that helps you remember what campaign is what, put it in there in the name. If it doesn't help, it doesn't hurt, right? So just getting in there. All right, campaign type. We want to have product promotion. Campaign category, so that's going to be healthy living, I guess. Do we have weight loss here? Weight loss, there we go. Campaign language is going to be English. Block before show, so this basically pauses the campaign as soon as your campaign has been approved if you turn it on. If you turn it off, that will mean that your ads will start running as soon as your campaign is approved, which is what we want right now for this campaign. But maybe for another campaign, you want to wait a little while before shooting it live. So you want to make sure that it gets approved, but then decide when to go live at your own time. That in that case, you would turn this on. All right, so then we have the targeting, and we can see the potential audience reach currently is at 1.6 billion, which is way too much, right? So let's start out with the geo. So the geo is going to be Europe, not the complete of Europe, so don't press the plus sign here, but we want to go to Ireland. All right. So there are two things that you can do. If you want to specifically target some regions, so maybe for example you only want to run in Dublin, you can do that by opening this and scrolling down to Dublin and add Dublin. All right. There we go. So now we only run in Dublin. But as you can see, that is so specific, the approximate impressions daily is going to be 0. So let's delete this. And let's get in Ireland. Let's see if there's some traffic there. So like 900,000 approximate impressions per day. That's all fine. I'm not going to do any additional targeting because I don't want this number to slim down too much. I still want to have space to eventually scale my campaign if I want to. So dynamic retargeting, you can choose to turn that on or off, but let's confirm this for now and focus on the ads themselves. So schedule, I'm going to turn that off. Limits is, I'm going to turn that off as well. The tracking tags are currently on, but that's all fine. Okay, this looks all good as well. So let's continue. There we go. Adding a new campaign. Okay, we didn't fill something in that needs to be filled in. Let's see. Let's turn this off. And let's turn this off. I just want to continue. Save and continue. Because I want to focus on creating the ads. Alright? Yes, create, please. I do want to create teasers for this campaign. Let's go. Alright, so here we are. Let's start out with the URL so we can simply just put in something there. Of course, you would put in the URL of your lander here. Alright, that works. Let's get in a title. You know what? Let's get an image first. So let's go to Google and I'm just gonna search for weight loss results. Probably did that before, alright? Here we go. Let's see. That is drastic. Damn. Good for you. Alright. Let's see. Oh, this one is pretty good. Alright. Let's go with it. I'm going to save this image. There we go. And go back to MGID. I wonder if I can just... No. Okay, I cannot drag it in. So let's press browse and there we go. Okay, so we have that. And now selecting a rectangular image and selecting a square image. So the square image is easy, right? Bam, there we go. The rectangular image is not great with this picture. So you might want to pick a picture that has somewhat more the dimensions that fit more into the rectangular image. However, we can still fix this. Important to keep in mind, I want to focus on her belly, right? That's where we really see most of her weight loss. That's where it's really happening. But doing it like this is a bit weird in an advertisement. So we want to get her face in. But if I get her complete face in, the belly starts disappearing. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put it right on her hairline right here. So that we still have the face and it doesn't look like we cut her face up like this. That would be weird, right? Right on the eye line. So I'm going to put it on the hairline so that we do catch her face. And we have a nice overview of the actual weight loss in her belly. All right. But obviously this one, the square one, is better with this picture. So you might want to change and pick another picture for the rectangular image. Yeah, that's probably my suggestion. All right, so pick an image with the right dimensions. For this one, for this example, that's all fine because I do like the image. So now we just need a title. New discovery. Although that's quite long already. We only have 65 characters, but let's see how far we can get. New discovery. Weight loss miracle found. Let's see. Lose 60 pounds in 2 months. Perfect fit. All right. New discovery. Weight loss miracle found. Lose 60 pounds in 2 months. All right. Pretty good. Pretty good. Let's make it in 1 month. Or is that a little bit too... Okay. Let's just leave it. All right. So that's all good. That's all good. We're going to save and continue to the ad list. And as soon as we've done that, we will see our new ad showing up. Ad has been added successfully and has been sent for automatic verification. You'll be able to check the results of automatic verification in 30 minutes. Thank you. No MGID, thank you for checking my ads. All right, so that is that. Why do we see the rectangular image here? Can I change that? Okay, so now we get the square one. All right. That's all fine. I'm not too worried about that. It still looks pretty good as a rectangular size, so all good. We made our first ad. I am gonna make a couple more, but this is it for this video, so stay tuned for more, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.